Hello, everyone. So today we will see what is IoT for Junior lesson. This is an overview video. So in lesson 1 we will cover introduction to IoT and we cover the real life examples. So what is IoT? Its application and its benefits, the future of the IoT as well as the real life examples. This will give the brief understanding of the IoT and it will make the learner understand that how IoT is getting used in real lives so that they can also make the products and projects that can be used in real life. Thank you.